Hello students, Namaste, welcome back to my channel. Let's go out with the question directly, which was asked in 2026 JEE Mains 21st January, that too in the shift 1 morning session. An organic compound P of molecular formula C₆H₁₂O₃ gives a positive iodoform test but negative tolerance test. When P is treated with dilute acid, it produces Q, and Q gives positive tolerance test and also iodoform test. Then the structure of P is okay. The first thing, C₆H₂O₃ is there. So in every option, like there are 6 carbons and it is very well balanced. Okay. The key point is they told positive iodoform test and negative tolerance test. So positive iodoform test, that means always a methyl group should be present for the carbonyl group. So methyl group should be present to carbonyl group. If this group is there means then 100% it will show positive iodoform test. And even they have told negative tolerance test. Okay, so negative tolerance test means, so one thing you should know that tolerance test which gives positive for aldehydes but negative for ketones. Negative for ketones. So based on this one, let us hunt. So C double bond O CH3 should be there as well as ketone group should be there. So C double bond CH3 is there as well as ketone group is there. Next, C double bond CH3 is there and ketone group is there. C double bond CH3 is there and ketone group. Okay, but here aldehyde is there, CHO. That means option 4 is not the answer. Okay, so the answer is between option 1, 2 and 3. Next, when P is treated with dilute acid, it gives Q. So remember here, one thing it should strike in your mind that one concept we have studied under the aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. So there is a topic called as what? Acetal or ketal. This is very important. Acetal or ketal. So what we are aware that if acetal is there means they are stable. I mean even ketal also they are stable in basic medium. In basic medium. If the same acetal, okay, they are unstable. Unstable. In which medium? Acidic medium. Acidic medium. Okay, so why I've used acetal here means, so where OCH3 or OR should be attached to the same carbon atom. Okay, here it is there, here also it is there, but in this case no, because later it is treated with acid. No, it should give a product a Q. If Q should give positive tolerance test as well as iodoform test. So, based on this factor, option 1 is not the answer. Now, let me check with the option 2. So, option 2 says that the structure will be CH3 bond C double bond O bond CH2 bond CH bond OCH3 bond OCH3. Let us consider this compound is P. Okay, so now what will happen if you add acid H plus, okay, then the product will be CH3 bond C double bond O bond CH2 bond CH bond OH and one more bond OH. Now what will happen here? This is a geminal. Since it is a geminal, what will happen? It is highly unstable. Water will go out. Okay. Then the product will be CH3 bond C double bond O bond CH2 bond C double bond OH. In this, we have aldehyde group. Aldehyde group. Since we have aldehyde group here, what will happen? It will show positive tolerance test. Positive tolerance test. And C double bond O CH3 is there. Okay, it will show positive iodoform test also. That means this reactant is correct. That is option 2 is correct. Same method you apply for the option 1 and option 3. Okay. But in the case of what is that option 3, what will happen? You will be getting a here OH, here also OH, again H2O will go. So ketone you will be getting it. Okay. So ketone is there means you won't get the positive tolerance test. In the question itself, they told very clearly that it should give positive tolerance test as well as iodoform test. So based on these factors, the correct answer is option 2. Thank you, students.